facilitators and participants of the Pacific Private Sector Workshop, invited guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. As chair of the Trade Pasifika 2014 Steering Committee, I extend to you all the warmest Pacific greetings on behalf of all the members of the Steering Committee and on also behalf of the Trade Pasifika 2014 Secretariat. This evening marks the launch of Trade Pasifika 2014. Trade Pasifika 2014 is a three-day trade event boasting an array of the best of Pacific agriculture, aquaculture, as well as tourism products. This trade event offers our Pacific Island businesses the opportunity to explore and develop trade leads for their development and growth. With the goal of showcasing suppliers and producers of highly valued Pacific products destined for niche markets, Trade Pasifika provides Pacific businesses that space to nurture and create long-lasting business relationships as we strive to grow the export potential of our Pacific Island products. For those of you who were with us at the inaugural Trade Pasifika 2012, you will appreciate that for many of us, that was a big and steep learning curve. Now, as organizers for the next Trade Pasifika event, we guarantee that preparations are underway to ensure that Trade Pasifika 2014 will be even bigger and better than it was. Trade Pasifika 2014 is guided by a very able steering committee, including the Pacific Leadership Program, as you heard from Maria, the UNDP Pacific Center, the MSG Secretariat, the Secretariat of the Pacific Community, particularly the program Increasing Agricultural Commodity Trade, IACT, under the EDF, Fiji's Ministry of Industry and Trade, as well as Investment Fiji. This trade show will run from 2nd to the 4th of April 2014 and will be held at the Vodafone Arena in Suva. This multi-purpose facility was selected because of the proximity to the businesses as well as a guarantee of visitor foot traffic. Trade Pasifika 2014 will feature our individual island economies, each distinctively portraying their country's export potential and investment opportunities. For exhibitors, criteria have been developed to assist the Secretariat in selecting businesses to exhibit at the Trade Pasifika 2014 as we build on our tagline, showcasing the best of the region. Having said that, the Secretariat has also gone out of its way to offer travel scholarships to facilitate the participation of selected businesses at Trade Pasifika 2014. We can understand the reservations that some may have with our ability to attract international buyers and investors. In spite of this, the Secretariat has confidence in the assistance and guidance of the Steering Committee and our respective international and regional associates and affiliates to be able to bring to you an event which will in turn be value for your money. Our program design over a three-day event covers a range of activities, including general exhibition, workshop and plenary sessions, pre-planned meetings and appointments, lunch and learn sessions, as well as organized networking events for exhibitors and buyers and invited guests. Registration for Trade Pasifika is open now, and I invite you to take advantage of the early registration packages that are on offer till the 30th of November 2013. So don't miss out in the various discounts that are on offer for you. Should you have any questions, Do not hesitate to contact the Trade Pasifika Secretariat in Suva, telephone 773-6303, or just drop them an email, tradepacifica@pipso.org.fj. Thank you very much for your attention.